Welcome to Violin Adventures number 102. Let's take a peek. There's something going on outside.
Yeah, I guess they just kind of slowly get used to it.
Do you see that smoke?
We're here because you all supporting the battlefield as it is.
Well, that was the Battle of Richmond, and it's around this time every year that they celebrate the Civil War. Kentucky tried to be neutral because they were right in the middle of the North and the South. So that was just a little peek at what happened this week. Now we go on to our special violin. I've been working on the neck here, trying to get it really, really smooth so it feels like silk or maybe like glass, so there's no bumps or anything like that. So I've just been sanding the neck, and the next thing that I need to do is the fingerboard, because the ebony is so dirty. Okay, so I'm going to go back and forth polishing this till it's a very high polish. So I'll see you as soon as I get that done. We proceed to our new violin. Okay, we're here at the new violin, and we need to take all these little clamps off. Okay, and I need to get this side where the lining is in completely flat so that it sits down here nice and flat on our back. So I'll see you as soon as that gets done. Okay, a bunch of wood dust later, and we have our back nice and flat to fit on our beautiful back. You can see here the flame, maybe you can, maybe you can't. And it kind of matches the sides here. So it's just amazing. And here we got the steam engine fired up for my little nephew to watch. Thanks to Tim. Back to the special violin. Okay. Okay, I fitted an inlaying a patch here. Okay, here's our inlay on the side where the cracks were, so we're going to take off all these clamps. So my next task is to conform this to the shape of the scroll, and we can proceed with getting the pegs back in. Ooh. That was the electricity went off and on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and I'll see you when I get this done. At least this is something I can do without electricity. Okay, we've got our patch on, and now we're ready to drill the hole. So you guys can help me make sure it is straight. There's our hole. Now let's check see if the peg fits, or if we need to fit it just a little bit more. I'm going to put all these in, make sure they're in the right spots. Okay, and then this one. Okay, I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller, but I think it's in a good spot. There we go. That looks good. So we've got our pegs back in. Now we need to blend this patch so it doesn't show up. We can't have a patch like that, right? Actually, what I'm going to do is set it up and do the blending later, right? Because we're all dying to hear what this violin sounds like, and it's been taking quite a while. So let's set it up. Okay, y'all, I just got the strings on, the pegs in, the tailpiece on, and next the bridge. And we want to measure this, make sure our dimensions are correct. So the bridge is going to go up just a little bit here, and that's actually right where the marks are, so we're right on. Okay, that's good. Then looks like the height might be okay. I'm going to go ahead and tune this up, and we're going to hear what it sounds like. just love playing it. So this turned out really nicely. Okay, here we are, a beautiful Friday afternoon, and as you can see, the lawn has been mowed, so that's why we see brown on the grass. But if you look up in the sky, we're getting ready for a big storm, a lot of nice rain, so the clouds are a little bit darker than normal. Let's go in and see what's going on in the shop. Okay, here we are in the shop. At the first table, we have our new violin. We can see we've got the lining in on this side. We've just started carving the back, and here's the scroll. At the next table here, we have our special violin, which is almost ready to go. We just need to get the varnish matched here on the scroll, and then we'll be done. This has a beautiful smooth tone. Really enjoy playing it. And here at this table we have our special viola. And the next thing that needs to be done here are the upper and lower blocks. The Hebrew Minute. Odeka al ki noraot nifleti niflaim ma'asecha v'nafshi yada'at ma'od. I will praise you because I am wondrously and fearfully made. Wonderful are your works, and my soul knows very well. So if you know where this is found, please leave it in the comments below. And thank you for sharing your favorite verses. If you would like to hear your verses read in Hebrew, please put them in the comments below. Freddys Adventures.
Oh, hi everybody. I'm Freddy and I'm a violinist. See? I got a violin. Well, I wanted to tell you guys that I had a big week. I was busy cleaning and carving. Miss Cheryl's going to teach me how to carve a violin. So I'm going to be working on that next week. Well, I better go now. See you later. Bye. Maybe I can cut this out, and my boss won't know about it yet. Hey, I turned it on! I'm big! Oh, it's too heavy. I can't move it. Oh well, I guess it's too big for me. I better get down before she gets in here. Hey, what's this? I can put this together. Oh, I see.
Okay, one of you asked if these little traps work, and they sure do.
Yeah, they're full of good stuff.
And
I saw
down
another
there.
guy flying around, but he didn't get in the trap yet.
Yeah. And once there's one in there, it attracts the others. So
Yeah.
they're a good investment. And just a note that I may be uploading on Monday instead of Sunday. I'm having a lot of schedule changes in my schedule. So we may have to upload on Monday. We'll just see how it goes. Well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your wonderful conversations in the comments and your thumbs up. And until next time, God bless you. Bye. It's raining. A nice, quiet rain.